Morning guys, good morning. As you guys can see, there's something that's stinging it and then it gets rotten. But before they get rotten, I'm gonna put some spray. I'm gonna spray it with stuff that I have bought or someone bought for me and see how it reacts, because the fruit fly it comes, there's like a small fly, it looks brown, it comes and then stings it. That's why it gets rotten. As you guys can see, it's just like the same over here, as you can see there. So I'm just trying to save the pumpkins over here by putting some stuff. I will show you guys though what I put on. So this is the stuff that I'm using. As you guys can see there, it also says for what it is for. So you guys can read. You guys can read there. So yeah.